Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're making hot and sour soup, a tangy, spicy Indo-Chinese restaurant style favorite. So grab all of the ingredients listed in the description box and let's get cooking. Heat up your soup pot, add a neutral oil and a little sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add in your ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure not to burn this. Now start to add in your veggies, shredded carrot, cabbage, mushrooms, and green pepper. Keep the heat at medium to medium high and stir fry for 3 to 5 minutes, just until the veggies begin to soften, but still keep a nice crunch and their bright color. Make sure to stir often. Sprinkle in black pepper, salt, and white pepper powder, mixing well so every veggie is seasoned. Now add in chili sauce along with soy sauce and vegetable broth as well as vinegar. Give this a really good mix and let this come to a boil. Mix a little cornflour powder with water to create a slurry. Slowly add this into the soup and allow it to boil further and thicken. Once it's nice and thick, garnish with some spring green onions and dish it out and top each bowl with a handful of crispy, crunchy noodles for that perfect restaurant style finish. The soup is tangy, spicy, and full of flavor. Your hot and sour soup is ready to be enjoyed. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends, subscribe to Cooking with Rashee, and leave a comment below telling me how your soup turned out. I'll see you in a new recipe.